In terms of this question around testing, and are you just testing your interface or testing your concept, I think that my first instinct is to ask a question in response, which is, what's this notion of testing? I guess when I think about approaching interactive, non-fictional narrative, I'm not thinking so much about testing anything, actually. I'm thinking about trying to deliver a mood or a sensibility or some ideas or even just an experience, which then ideally will generate further conversation. So the notion that I'm testing something, I guess, is maybe a bit abstract for me. But if I were to try to answer it, I think that whether or not you're testing just your interface or you're testing your concept, it's a process that's going to be interesting from where I'm standing. Both things need to be under reconsideration throughout, and are often forced into moments of reconsideration. Unless you're working on a really short timeline and you can manage to get things through with the intensity of focus that a short timeline can provide, by necessity things are going to be called into question that were a part of maybe your original ambit for the project. Both questions of interface and is this working, is this clunky, but then also like what was I bringing together here in the first place? And I think that I could cite examples of that kind of thing happening, but it's much more commonplace than not.